All right, Miss Alexia, Mr. Freddie, this video is going to help you with number 5 on the final exam review for next week. Okay, it says which expression is equivalent to 4/3 x plus 4 2/3? What they really want you to be able to do with this problem is factor the given expression. But some kids have an easier time distributing through. So I'm going to look at all of the given answers. I'm going to use our distributive property, multiply what's on the outside of the set of parentheses through to each term within, and see if I get the original expression. So I'm going to take letter A, 4/3 x plus 2, and I'm going to use the distributive property. I'm going to distribute. Miss Sherman, I think, says something about grandma, and I think Miss Pearson says something about a wedding. I don't know the little sayings, but if the word grandma or the word wedding helps you remember, I think that's wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 4/3 through my parentheses using my distributive property. So I have to do 4/3 times x, keep my plus sign, and then 4/3 times 2. All right. 4/3 times x is just 4/3 x, plus 4/3 times 2. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. Multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. That's 8/3. But 8/3 is a fraction that's bigger than 1, so we're going to rewrite it as a mixed number. 8/3. You know me, I would draw out thirds. That's 3/3. That gets me to 6/3. I only need 8/3. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/3. That appears that it's 2 whole circles and 2/3 of another circle. It's not going to be the right answer. 4/3 x plus 2 2/3. What I mean is I didn't get this expression back. I got 4/3 x plus 2 2/3. 3 goes into 8 twice with 2 left over, so that's why it's 2 2/3. Yeah, A didn't work. Bye-bye, A. I'm going to distribute 1/3 through letter B, see if it matches up with this. So I'm going to do 1/3 times 4x plus 6. Multiply it through using your, if you say grandma, if you say wedding, if you just say distributive property. 1/3 times 4x, keep my plus sign, and then 1/3 times 6. Okay, 1/3 times 4x. 4 is the same as 4 over 1. Straight across the top, straight across the bottom. That gives me 4/3 with my x. 4/3 times x, or 4/3 x, looking promising so far, but so did the first one. Plus, I had to also multiply 1/3 by 6. 6 is the same as 6 over 1. Straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 6/3. Well, if I have 6/3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/3. 6/3 is the same as 2. So that's 4/3 x plus 2. Well, that's too bad. I need 4/3 x plus 4 2/3. Let's get some more space going here, because now I have to check letter C. Knowing my luck, what letter will it be? Come on now, what letter will it be? It'll probably be D, but we can hope it's C. So I have 2/3 for letter C times the quantity 2x plus 4. Again, I'm going to distribute through, figure out if this gets me back to the original expression. So I'm going to do 2/3 times 2x plus 2/3 times 4. 2/3 times 2x. 2 is the same as 2 over 1, straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 4/3 x. Again, letter C is looking promising. This first term really looks good. Let's try this. Straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 8/3. Hey, we've already done 8/3. 8/3 is the same as 2 2/3. Okay, so that's 4/3 x plus 2 2/3. Again, letter C, totally not working. So now I know it has to be D. But we're going to prove to our teachers that it's definitely D. So let's get some space going here. Now I'm going to do 2/3 times the quantity 2x plus 7. I'm going to distribute or multiply that 2/3 through. So I'm going to say 2/3 times 2x plus 2/3 times 7. 2/3 times 2x. 2 is the same as 2/1. Straight across the top, straight across the bottom. That gets me 4/3 x plus 7 is the same as 7/1. Straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 2 times 7 is 14. 14/3. Let's see if that's really 4 and 2/3. Let's see if that's 1, 2, 3, 4 whole circles. And then 2/3 of another. Let's see how many thirds that gets us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay! 14/3 is the same as, so this is 4/3 x plus 14/3 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4 whole circles and 2/3 of another circle. That actually is our correct answer. 3 goes into 14 4 times. That gets us to 12/3, and then there's 2 more thirds left over. Wowza. Wowza on that one. All right. Hopefully that helps.